appearing on behalf of Kareem Davis. Standing to my right, please state your name for the record.
Kareem Davis.
All right. Date and time set for sentencing. Have you and your client reviewed the screening and assessment report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, pause for a second. Right from the start, this isn't just some random court hearing, it's sentencing day. And that means the stakes are sky high. Kareem's entire future is about to be shaped in the next few minutes. Question for you. Do you think he's walking away with probation, or is jail inevitable here?
Anything either of you like to say before I do a post sentence?
Your Honor, my client has participated in all of his recommendations by the probation officer. He has not tested positive, not one time. He has co-parenting with his child, and he's disabled. We would request that you waive or suspend the 1 day of jail time recommended. My client is willing to pay all of his fines today.
Counsel and probation approach.
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Counsel and probation approach.
Yes, to
No, my license is for.
You need to. Okay, we're good.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, is there anything you want to tell me before I post sentence?
Yes, sir. I realized I was on a good path over the last decade. I was about to go in front of the governor to get my record expunged, and this happened 2 days prior, and it just I made an ignorant choice, and it affected my mother and my son. You know, stressing my mom out, my son asking about the teller on my leg, and I just want to apologize to the court and my family, and I'm definitely gonna do better, and I'm not gonna make no more ignorant choices like that, sir.
Notice what he's doing here. This is the classic allocution. It's basically the defendant's last chance to convince the judge he deserves mercy. And to be fair, Kareem's hitting the right notes: remorse, accountability, and a promise to do better. But will the judge actually buy it?
How old's your child?
9.
Boy, girl?
Boy.
Then you have to do better.
Yes, sir.
And you said your mother knew?
Yes, it's just,
What did she say?
boy, what is you doing? It's driving me crazy. You know, she wanted to come to court today, but I was like, Mom, I did this. I don't want to stress you out even more.
So you didn't want your mom to come to court?
I mean, she live in Bromley. She bad driving on the expressway. It's raining, you know. I didn't, and I figured I was going to jail.
Know what? So
I just,
I'm gonna tell you what. For as long as she graces the planet, if your mother wants to come someplace where you might be in trouble,
yes, sir.
you should bring your mother.
Oh, here it comes, the mom moment. Judges know that dragging someone's mother into the conversation adds a whole new layer of guilt. And trust me, if there's one person whose disappointment stings more than a jail sentence, it's Mom.
Hey, yes, sir.
So I realize people make mistakes. I'm not mad at you for anything other than that you broke your mother's heart. And that you didn't let her come down here. Because she probably had some stuff to tell me.
Yes, sir.
And you just didn't want me to hear that. So I probably should lock you up for the whole boat because you didn't bring your mom. I know what I can do.
I
I
apologize.
can lock you up, and the only person that you can be released to is your mother.
Did you catch that? The judge basically says, forget bail bonds, your release agent is now your mom. Imagine explaining that. Yeah, I can leave jail, but only if my 71-year-old mother comes to pick me up. Brutal.
Is she that bad a driver?
I mean, well, she used to work at Milan, so I mean, she's familiar with the area. But you know, she's 71 years old. I just don't. I just didn't want. It was my mistake.
She's a spry 71-year-old that still drives, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Anything else you want to tell me?
No, sir.
You probably should have told me all that, right?
Yes, sir.
The court acknowledges this is not a serious misdemeanor as defined by statute, however, does believe there are reasonable grounds to depart from the presumption of a non-probationary sentence. The alcohol screening and assessment identifies the benefit of intensive outpatient programming. The court will therefore follow the recommendation of probation with the stated rehabilitative goals to promote change, prevent recidivism, to monitor compliance, and recommended treatment. We'll place you on probation for a period of 24 months.
All right, let's decode that. This could have gone way worse. Instead of hard jail time, Kareem gets 24 months of probation. Translation: freedom with strings attached, mess up once and it's back to the cell. Do you think that's fair, or did he get off easy?
You're to pay $1,255 fines and costs, $100 prosecution recovery costs, $100 police agency recovery costs, and $720 probation oversight fees. When can you get that paid?
I can pay half today, Your Honor.
Do you have a total, Ms. Flair? Everybody's like doing fractions. I'm not in the mood.
I think it's about 3,500.
I have to start putting total next to
Yeah, I know.
it.
How much do you have to pay?
What was the total amount, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
He didn't bring his mother. He's making me do math.
2175.
I'll pay it all today, Your Honor. Get it out the way. That way, Christmas coming up, I can get. I need to. I'll take care of it today.
So he had us go through all that.
I'm sorry.
And he had the money to pay.
I apologize.
Mr. Long, you need no, never mind. All right, today.
One more
Thank
thing,
you.
Your Honor. Is there anything, a court order that we could have to clear his 625G hold?
I think that clears at some point once he's done here. I think something happens with his license. I don't know what sanctions they may impose otherwise.
Thank you.
All right. There is to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You're to provide proof of an intensive outpatient program completion, including all aftercare recommendations. Complete current individual therapy with proof through probation. Attend 2A meetings per week with monthly verification to probation. I will discontinue the scram tether. In accordance with statute, I'll order 365 days in jail credit for the 4 days that you served. I will remand the defendant to serve the additional 1 day, then the balance will be suspended. Defendant is remanded.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Allen, you can let him call his mama and tell her to send her baby to jail.
And there it is, the mic drop. Even after showing mercy, the judge makes sure mom gets the final call. It's half stern, half savage, and 100% unforgettable. What do you think, tough love or over the line?
Thank you, Mr. Long.
Thank you.
That's it for that block. 14A stands in recess.